Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering 200 g pasta, 1 packet of Smith & Jones pasta masala, and basic aromatics. Heat a sauté pan to medium-high, about 180 degrees, and add 1 tablespoon oil. This creates the right sear. Once the oil shimmers, add chopped onion and crushed garlic and cook 3-4 minutes until translucent. This step builds flavor. Make sure not to brown them or you lose sweetness. While they sweat, bring salted water to a rapid simmer, so pasta cooks immediately after the masala is ready. You now transition to the sauce. Add 1/2 cup tomato puree and 1/4 cup water to deglaze. Scrape the brown bits. They hold flavor. Sprinkle the entire Smith & Jones pasta masala packet and stir. Simmer gently for 4-5 minutes so the spices bloom and meld. Once the aroma changes and the oil separates slightly, taste and adjust seasoning. Add 1/2 tsp salt or a pinch of sugar, or a squeeze of lemon to balance acidity. Meanwhile, cook the pasta 1 minute less than pack. You finish by reserving 1/2 cup of pasta water, draining the pasta, and adding it straight into the masala pan. This binds sauce and pasta. Toss over medium heat for 1-2 minutes so starch marries with spices. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter or 1 tablespoon cream for shine and silkiness. If the sauce thickens too fast, add reserved pasta water a little at a time. Troubleshooting. If flavor is flat, boost Smith & Jones masala by 1/4 packet and resimmer briefly to wake the spices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.